Need a quick cash boost but unsure how to navigate Opay's loan options on your iPhone? Let's break it down. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Opay app downloaded from the App Store. This ensures you have access to all the newest features and loan options. Open the Opay app and look for the Finance or Loan section. It's usually located on the home page or within the app's menu. Tap on it to proceed. Now, before you get too excited, Opay has eligibility criteria. Typically, you'll need to be a registered Opay user, have a verified BVN, be within a certain age range, and have a consistent transaction history on the app. Make sure you meet these requirements to increase your chances of approval. If you're eligible, you'll see an option to apply for a loan. You'll be asked to specify the loan amount you need and the repayment duration. Carefully consider your ability to repay the loan within the chosen time frame. Pay very close attention to the interest rates and repayment terms. Opay will clearly state the interest rate, any associated fees, and your repayment schedule. Understand the full cost of the loan before proceeding. Once you're satisfied, review the loan agreement summary. This outlines all the details of the loan. If everything looks correct, confirm your application. You might need to enter your Opay PIN or use biometric authentication. After confirmation, Opay will process your application. If approved, the loan amount will be dispersed to your Opay wallet. You'll receive a notification confirming the successful transaction. And that's it. You've successfully borrowed money from Opay on your iPhone. Remember to use the funds responsibly and stick to your repayment schedule to avoid late fees and maintain a good credit standing with Opay.